And then slowly, you feel the heat at the back of your head, and someone whispered to you, "Huwag kang maniwala. Saan ka sasama? Sa impyerno." Oh, that voice is Satan. He is a friend because he's nearer to you. He doesn't have to show himself. Unlike Jesus pretending to be nice, with a promotion at hand, promo of die now, pray later. Unlike Satan, you will never die, but you will suffer forever. Which one do you like? But before that, you will relax. Down. Wala na siya pag-diyan. Ano daw? Ang sobrang pamumuto. Ang gulo. May Jesus, may Satan. May promo nga eh. May promo. May Jesus, come now, die now, pray later.